Rooted for growth, life's lesson from nature. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. What do you plant now, you will harvest later. The wisdom of the earth. One quiet morning, as I sipped my tea and looked out at the trees swaying gently in the wind, a thought struck me. Growth is everywhere. The towering trees, the blooming flowers, and even the tiny blades of grass pushing through the cracks in the pavement all follow a natural rhythm of life. As I reflected, I realized how much we humans can learn from nature. Like plants, we go through different growth, transformation, and renewal phases. From the first spark of an idea to achieving our dreams, every stage matters. And just like a tree doesn't rush to bear fruit before its roots are strong, we too must embrace the journey at each stage of our development. Come on, let's take a walk through nature's wisdom and explore how our personal growth mirrors the life cycle of a plant. Stage 1. The seed of possibility. Every dream, every idea, and every journey begins as a tiny seed. In the vast expansion of possibilities, this seed holds potential, but it needs the right environment to thrive. Just as a plant requires fertile soil, water, and sunlight, our goals needs nurturing. The thoughts we feed our minds, the energy we put in, and the environment we create will determine the strength of what grows. Stage 2. Rooting and emerging. Before a plant sees the sun, it works tirelessly beneath the soil. Roots push through the earth, anchoring the future. Likewise, when we embark on something new, the early stages are the hardest. It takes immense energy to break through, to build a solid foundation. This is where persistence matters most, because though nothing may seem visible yet, something strong is forming beneath the surface. Stage 3. Growth and strengthening. At this stage, plants grow taller, leaves unfurl, and branches spread. However, while we see the green above, the roots are still deepening below. Growth isn't just about what is visible, it's about unseen strength. Similarly, in life, this is the phase where we must keep working, learning, and evolving. Even if success isn't immediate, each step strengthens the foundation for what's to come. Stage 4. The first bloom. The first flower emerges, a sign of progress. This is the moment when hard work starts to show. However, much like a plant that still focuses on strengthening itself despite blooming, we too must stay dedicated to our larger purpose. The first sign of success are not the finish line but a checkpoint. Celebrate the milestones but remain committed to the bigger vision. Stage 5. Pollination, the power of connection. No plant flourishes alone. Insects, wind, and nature itself helps it spread its essence, ensuring future growth. Likewise, we need others, mentors, supporters, and collaborators to help us expand our influence and reach new heights. Ideas grow stronger when shared, and success multiplies when nurtured the right company. Stage 6. The harvest, giving back. This is the stage where the plant bears fruit not just for itself but for others. True success is not just about personal achievements but about giving back. The fruit of our labor is meant to nourish families, communities, and the world around us. And as the seeds of the fruit fall to the ground, the cycle begins again, proving that growth is continuous and never ending. Moral of this story. Growth is a cycle, each stage is essential, and patience is key. Success doesn't happen overnight. Deep roots grow first before flowers bloom. Sharing and collaborations are vital. Growth multiplies when we uplift others. True fulfillment comes when we use our success to create opportunities for others. Just like a plant, your growth is inevitable if you nurture your dreams, stay rooted in effort, and share the fruits of your labor with the world. I hope you enjoyed this story. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such stories at Profound Insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more stories. Your support means the world to me, and we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge together. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.